In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert checkboxes for task tracking. We'll be working in a spreadsheet, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to quickly add checkboxes so you can track tasks, to-dos, or project progress in a simple visual way. First, make sure your spreadsheet is open and that you're on the sheet where you want to track your tasks. It helps to set up a simple layout before you begin. For example, you might have one column for the task name and another column where the checkboxes will go. Once you're ready, click on the cell or range of cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. Selecting the cells first tells the spreadsheet exactly where to place them, so you don't have to move them later. Now, look at the top of your screen for the main menu bar. There you'll see a menu labeled Insert. Go ahead and click on Insert. This menu is where you add different elements to your sheet, such as rows, charts, images, and in this case, checkboxes. If you don't see it at first, just make sure your browser window is maximized and you're not in a special view like Print Preview. After clicking on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. In this list, look for the option called Checkbox. The items are usually grouped by type, so you might see things like chart, image, faster, and then checkbox a bit further down. Move your cursor to checkbox and click it. As soon as you do this, the spreadsheet will automatically convert the selected cells into checkboxes. Each cell you highlighted will now contain an empty checkbox. You can click a box to mark it as complete and click again to uncheck it. Behind the scenes, each checkbox is actually a true or false value, which means you can later build formulas to count completed tasks or calculate progress if you want to get more advanced. If you need more checkboxes later, you don't have to repeat the whole process from scratch. You can simply select a cell that already has a checkbox, drag the fill handle down or across, and the checkbox will be copied to the new cells. And that's all there is to it. By using the Insert menu and choosing the checkbox option, you can quickly turn a plain spreadsheet into a simple but effective task tracker.